Welcome to VVS Vlogs. Please hit the red subscribe button to follow me here and don't forget to click the bell icon and select all so that you get notification when I am online and you can see all my new updates.
Hi, welcome to my channel guys. First of all, thanks a lot for believing in me and appreciating my videos and hard work. I have 100 subscribers now on my channel, so I thought of celebrating this small achievement by making 2 minutes eggless Nutella and chocolate mug cake. I am going to make quickest and easiest dessert to fulfill your intense cake craving. I have used all the ingredients which we all have in our day-to-day life, so not talking much, let's start the video. In a microwave safe mug, first I am going to add all the dry ingredients and I am going to start with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then we need 3 tablespoons of regular all-purpose flour. I am not using refined flour or maida here. And then I am adding a small pinch of baking soda. Next we need is 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Guys, those people who don't have measuring spoons at home are always confused how much is 1/8 teaspoon. I am going to solve this problem by telling how to measure at home. 1/8 teaspoon means a pinch using your thumb, index and middle finger. Take a fork and stir it. Give it a nice mix. Now it's time to add other ingredients also. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Nutella. Again, 1 tablespoon means 1 soup spoonful of Nutella. Followed by 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. And all you have to do is just stir it in the same direction. Ensure that there are no lumps left behind. Mix it thoroughly until it's a smooth and runny liquid. Now next I am going to add a fistful of white chocolate chunks. I wanted a crunch in my cake, that's why I made cubes of white wafer chocolate and added to my batter. And I am going to fold the chocolate chunks into batter like so. Lastly, add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk and mix everything nicely. And there our batter is ready to go in microwave for 2 minutes at high power. Make sure that the batter is less than half the capacity of mug. If it's more, the batter will overflow from the mug when the cake rises during cooking. Also, everybody's microwave function differently. The power settings are different. You can adjust it accordingly. My microwave's high power is 900, so I stop the baking 5 to 10 seconds before it completes 2 minutes. Ideally, it should cook in 2 minutes for 850 power. And here our cake is ready in less than 2 minutes of baking, and the fork also came out clean. Cake looked moist, rich and with a crumb just the way I like it. Last but an optional step, I am going to do the topping of cake with chocolate syrup. You can also use sugar icing or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. If you like the recipe, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I shall meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.